Hi, this is Lincoln Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2014 Toyota 86, stock number 7032. This ran from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2016. It's an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory only mega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory only mega tyre, right hand door mirror, right front 17-inch factory only mega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,